Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a gangster chicken sandwich. Alright, as you can see here, I have the baguette sliced in half. To that, I added some olive oil to the bread, and then just kind of a light drizzling of red wine vinegar. Now, I'm adding the first of our meats, some nice, lovely prosciutto. Then we're going to add a layer of pepperoni on top of the prosciutto. And then we're going to add some chicken meat. You can pick this up in your local deli. And then you want to add some white American cheese to the pepperoni side of the sandwich. By the way, you should be heating your oven to about 425 degrees. And then finally, some fresh mozzarella. You can find fresh mozzarella in the deli section of any decently sized grocery store. It'll be where all their cheeses are. They come in logs or balls. I just grabbed one of the mozzarella cheese balls, and I'm just kind of tearing pieces off and putting them on the chicken. And then we're just going to pop this in the oven until the bread's nicely toasted, the meat's nicely crisped up, and the cheese is all melty and happy and delicious. One last thing we do before we put this in the oven. This is optional, but I really think it helps. Give a dusting of freshly ground black pepper. And as you see here, we have our aluminum foil ready. Then we're just going to add some shreddis. Again, I don't know what it does, but every time you wrap a sub, it just makes it taste better. Now we're adding just a little bit of minced onions. I think because it compresses it, everything kind of gets a chance to get to know one another for a little bit. And now I'm adding some banana peppers, pepperoncini peppers, whatever you like. And now we're going to drizzle on some mayonnaise. Let's be honest, mayonnaise makes everything better. Now we're going to put the top part of the sandwich on top, get this in the middle of our piece of aluminum foil, and we're going to roll the sandwich up tightly. And give it about 30 seconds before you cut it in half. All right. Now the two halves are cut apart, and that's that. A gangster chicken sandwich. Done.